So today we're going to be discussing about what is Azure. We're going to be discussing for today, and what is the relation between Azure and BT. What is the relation between Azure and DevOps? So let us try to understand for. So what exactly we have discussed in the last session? Let us revise one more time within 5 minutes. What is DevOps? What we have discussed in the last session. Let us revise and we'll continue. So what we have discussed in the last session, please. What is in exactly DevOps? So DevOps is an automated process. While we implementing an automated process, while we implementing DevOps, an automated process, our roles and responsibilities start from dev environment, ends with what operation? That means we are part of coding, integration, test, release, deploy, operation. But to be frankly, we are not part of planning. We are not writing any coding. We are not writing any test cases. Just we are gonna be in implementing an automated DevOps transparent pipeline from dev environment to operations. Usually, what will happen? The developers are keep on writing lines of code. These lines of code, we're gonna be delivering. We're gonna be delivering into the production environment within a shortest time, with a high quality, with low cost, with low failure rate is nothing but what? Our DevOps process. For implementing this DevOps transparent pipeline, we are going to be using some tool stack. Which are all the tools we're going to be? Git, we are going to be Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, Ansible, Microsoft Azure, Docker, Kubernetes, Vagrant, Negios, Elk, Elastic, Logstash, Kibana, and Terraform. By helping of, these are all the tools, Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, Ansible, Microsoft Azure, Docker, Kubernetes, Vagrant, Negios, Elk, Elastic, Logstash, Kibana, and Terraform. By helping of these are all the tools, we can able to implement an automated process from dev environment to production environment. But while we implementing our DevOps process, we required a infrastructure. Tell me, what is infrastructure? What is infrastructure? And before that, please let me know what is an application. What is an exactly application? What is an exactly application? Application is nothing but what? Website. The working software which is written any programming language. The working software which is written any programming language, we calling as an application. That application, if you are placing on server side, placing on server side. Once if it is placed on server side, we can access our internet as a website like Flipkart or Amazon, Book My Show. Clear? So that application, for maintaining this application, for deploying these applications, what kind of infrastructure required? So for maintaining these applications, for websites, what kind of infrastructure is required? Majorly, servers are required. Network is required. Storage is required. Database is required, and so on. These are all major infrastructure is required for deploying our applications, for maintaining our websites. Got it very clearly? So for maintaining these applications, we require this infrastructure. But this infrastructure, how many ways we can able to get it? How many ways to get infrastructure? How many ways we can able to get infrastructure? Either by physical environment, either by physical environment, or from virtual environment, or from cloud. But what is a cloud? What is in exactly the cloud? What is a cloud? What are the cloud computing specifically? What is it exactly? Cloud computing, please. So, if we can access the remote place resources over internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. So, whatever the resources we have in this data center, if we can access over internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. First of all, what is a data center? What is an exactly data center first? What is an exactly the data center? So the use computing power keeping in a rack wise. The use a computing power keeping in a rack wise in a big room, we calling as a data center. These data centers are located in different geographical locations like in Singapore, in UK, in London, in Hyderabad, in Mumbai. In so many places, these data centers are located. So from these data centers, if we can access over internet, any resources like servers and database, whatever may be, virtual form over internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing, cloud cloud computing, which is nothing but what? Data center. So I'll repeat one more time for our understanding. Let us repeat one more time. So the remote place resources, either servers, network, storage, databases, if we can access over internet from a laptop is nothing but what? Cloud computing. So by using cloud, we can able to get infrastructure. and we can able to use it. Based on usage, we can able to pay rent. So cloud is a rental based infrastructure only. Cloud is a rental based infrastructure only. We are not buying anything. By using cloud, we're not buying anything. We can able to get it only rental based infrastructure only. Okay. So guys, please tell me. So for deploying our application, so Flipkart kind of application, we require this infrastructure. This infrastructure. So either we can able to buy it or else we can able to get it from cloud and we can able to pair it. Which is easy for you, please tell me. So buy and maintain or get it as a rental based and based on users we can able to pay, which is easy for you. Definitely it is very difficult, it is very easy. So to understand this part, I'll give an example. For example, let's say you want to go to railway station from your home by car. How many ways we can able to get a car? 2 ways. How many ways we can able to get a car? 2 ways. Either you can able to buy a new car and reach a railway station. That is the first option. Second option is what? Get a rental car based on usage. We can able to pay rent. Like Ola, Ubera, whatever may be. Tell me, in these 2 cases, which is easy for you? Anybody help me in the chat box? Which is easy for you? I think so. Rental is very easy. Instead of buying a car, new car, just book a Ola cab. The car is available at your doorstep within 10 minutes. And after reaching a railway station, whatever tariff you're going to be paid. That's it. You don't need to pay, you no need to maintain anything. No, not required to driver license, pollution check, not required. It is very easy to use it. Am I right? The same way. For deploying our applications, for deploying our applications, what kind of infrastructure we require? We can able to get it cloud, and based on usage, we are gonna be pay rent. We're gonna be pay rent. We're gonna be pay rent. But which cloud we're gonna be using, guys, please? So for getting this infrastructure, so we are gonna be using cloud, but we have a different types of different clouds, guys, please. In the market, different leading cloud providers are available. AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google. These 3 are leading cloud providers available in the market. But we're going to be learning Microsoft Azure. For getting infrastructure, we're going to be using Microsoft Azure. Sir, why Microsoft Azure? So Microsoft Azure is a 5 times cheaper than AWS. We can able to saving through existing Microsoft license. And most of the companies are moving into the Azure. Why? Because security are cheaper. And by using Microsoft Azure, what exactly you can? Microsoft Azure is a cloud service provider. It is offers various services such as computing power, storage, database, network. So these are all resources we can able to get it from Microsoft Azure cloud. And Microsoft Azure cloud is a second largest provider. Second largest cloud provider. Microsoft Azure is a second largest cloud provider in the market. By using Microsoft Azure, we can able to get these are all infrastructure. So computing model we can able to, network model, storage model, database model, identity access management. And these are all things, these are all models we are gonna be getting, and we can able to deploy our applications very easily by using DevOps. And let us understand this. And each and every model, how exactly we are gonna be. So please, in computing model, so many services we're gonna be learning, like virtual machines and virtual scale set, so many things. And in networking also, so many services we're gonna be learning. Disk and blob type, whatever, but DynamoDB we are gonna be learning. And what are the user management, group management, Active Directory, and a lot of things which we are going to be discussing, and what are the billing, and a lot of models, and but totally around separately I'm going to be providing a content. Don't worry, I already share with you. Please look at once which are all the services I'm going to be covering in Azure. A lot of services. But in networking, how exactly I can? So I'm going to be discussing about network model, compute model, database model, storage model. Storage model we are going to be discussing, guys, please. But how exactly we can? Let us understand. Let us understand Azure architecture. Let us understand Azure architecture. Azure architecture, guys, please. Let us talk about Azure architecture. So totally in Azure architecture, totally we have a three layers. One is front-end layer, middle layer, and the back-end layer. So by using front-end layer, how exactly you are going to be getting into this Azure account? By using portal, PowerShell, CLI, REST client. Portal, PowerShell, CLI, REST client. So we can able to handle through graphically, PowerShell, CLI, REST client. So whenever you are getting onto the Azure, it will be authorized. Means whether you're providing a right user or password, right credentials or not, it will be unauthorized. Once if it is unauthorized, after getting into the cloud, and we can able to create a virtual machines and a web services and databases and a lot of services which we can able to create. So whenever you have successfully created by using portal, we can able to authorize by providing username password, then we can create a multiple services which we can able to create. So let us understand in the front end. The front end is totally, we have a 4 section, middle only authentication, services, a lot of. But so graphically we can able to, yeah, we can able to handle Azure with a through internet, over internet. So by using this web interface, means which you calling as what? Portal. Through internet, graphically we can able to handle. Another way, we can able to handle by using PowerShell. By using PowerShell. By using PowerShell, guys, please. And we can able to handle CLI. CLI also. Command line interface. So AWS, we can able to interacting to the AWS either by graphically or PowerShell or CLI. Last option is what? REST client. Means what? We required some programming like Java.NET. By using that, we can able to, once if it is done, we can able to authorization by providing your username password. Once if it is authorized, and we can able to create a multiple resources like this multiple virtual machines, multiple resources which we are gonna be creating, resources like virtual machine, resources, resource group, and database, whatever may be. So I hope you people are understands very clearly how exactly you can able to getting into the cloud. After getting into the cloud, after authorization, we can able to create a virtual machines database. Clear? Understood. But after getting, which are all the services we gonna be? These are all the services. Under computing model, virtual machines we can, function apps, app services, AKS, networking, and these are all the services, load balancer, application gateway, DNS zone, CDN, and we can able to create a storages, blob storage, file storage, table storages, queue storages, databases like SQL structural data, unstructured data, and AD Active Directory, and user management, group management. And these are all the things, and billing management, analysis, billing and management cost, automation of a Azure account, metrics, and we're going to be learning this complete architecture, which we are going to be learning. So by using this infrastructure, by using this Azure infrastructure, we can able to deploy our applications very easily. But while deploying, we need to follow our DevOps, an automated process. DevOps, an automated process. DevOps, an automated process. Clear? All of you understood very clearly. So what is the major relation between Azure and DevOps? We understood very clearly. So, but how exactly you can able to getting into the cloud? Okay, we understood very well. But how exactly we can able to getting into the cloud? How exactly we can able to create Azure account? How to create these virtual machines? Let us experience for today. Okay. So for that, so we are gonna be, so whatever I provided a course content link, I think already I provided a course content link. This is in exactly our course content link. By using this course content. One second. One second, Allah. By using this course content link, you can able to just to be double click on it, automatically it will be open our document list. In the document list, we have a Azure account creation. Yeah, it is the first one is what DevOps content. Second one is Azure content. Then fourth one, please be look at once. Azure account creation. Azure account creation. Venkataraman, just to be double click in the chat box, then automatically it will be open. Same way. How I did the same way, please. Double click. Just to be double click. Have you done, all of you? Have you double click from the chat box? All of you, please, whether it is open or not, check, just confirm with me in the chat box. If it is not, please let me know. And once if it is open, okay, that Azure account creation, just be type in the Google and please be type very first line, And once if it is firstly, and please be start free. And once if it is started free, and please be provide your any working email address. If it is signed, if we have already, we have signed, or else please be click on create a new account and provide any working email address. Provide any password, which you can able to remember, and verify your email verification. Whenever you done, you will receive an email notification. Please provide the verification code. Then after verifying your email, and please be verify the captcha also. Then, so please be provide your full name, last name, and provide your working phone number, and verify it by text or call me. And once it is verified, please be provide your credit card details, any credit card. Okay. But it is after every first month, 15,000 rupees free. It is a free, we can use 15,000 rupees free, and happily we can practice first month without paying anything. So once if it is done, select these check boxes and sign up. Once if it is sign up, automatically you will be landing into this page. You will be landing into this page like this. Once if it is landing into this page, if you double click on this, please be double click on this. We have two things. So Azure offering, which are all the services. Azure, please ask your friends, anybody. For sure. So please be arranged, okay? Alternatively. So computing models, container models, database models, DevOps models, and these are all the things which we are going to. And so many models we're going to be learning here, okay? DevOps model also, container model, storage model, monitoring, security. These are all the models. These are all the services. So Azure offering, but again, please double click on it. If we have a resource group, resources, click on all the resources. So in my account up to this point, I'm using these are all the resources I created for my work, for my application, for my business, for my website. Sir, if for example, if you want to create a new server, a new virtual machine, how exactly, guys, please? So I want to create a virtual machine, means I want to create a one server. How? So by using services. Which service, guys, please? Let us click on all services, computing. And if it is scrolled on, out of these computing services, we're gonna be using virtual machine. Just to be double click on it. Or else search for here virtual machines. So then automatically you will be landing into the virtual machine dashboard. From here, we can able to create a virtual machine. How exactly? Create virtual machine. And so blindly follow for today. Tomorrow onwards, we're going to be explain each and every topic, each and every tab. Slowly we can understand. Not in a single day, we can't understand this all. Just to want to show you how we can able to getting into the job, how to create a virtual machine, and how to use it. That's it. Okay. So create a one more virtual machine resource group. My resource group 6A. Any name you can. And virtual machine is name my VM. My virtual machine one. Availability zone. No. What is availability zone? We'll discuss. Don't worry. Okay. Secret type we'll discuss. Okay. Which operating system you want to use? Maybe any operating system. We go for Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Red Hat, or whatever maybe. But my choice is for today, Ubuntu 20. And D1S, we can able to change the size. It has 1 core CPU, 1 GB RAM. B1S, let us go for B1S. It is a very low cost. B1S, it has 1 core CPU, 1 GB RAM. And let it be go for password. The password is Azure user. And please be use any strongest password. Please be copy this password, copy paste, and confirm the password. Scroll down. So please be use SSH or HTTP, whatever may be. SSH means what? We can able to log in from one Linux machine to the another Linux machine. HTTP means what? We can access this web server over internet. And let us choose the default option, the 30 GB of hard disk, a default network, all are default options from here. Tags, review and create. That's it. Whenever you are successfully click on review, it will be validated data, whether whatever you provide data is valid or not. If anything error, it will show. Yeah, everything. The validation is passed. Then just to be click on create, automatically our virtual machine is going to be creating in the cloud, but not in your laptop. Have you successfully creating a virtual machine or no? In the cloud, not in a laptop. This virtual machine is creating on West. I'll show you where it is. Is it under process? Please wait. It is under process. Please wait. Please wait. Yeah, is it successfully created or not? So once if it is created, please be. Yeah, this machine is successfully created, am I right? But how exactly we can able to use this machine? How exactly we can? So for that, so we can able directly we can't. Why? Because so this is the Linux machine, am I right? This machine is created on US, not in my laptop, West US. This virtual machine is created in West US in one of the zone, but not in India, not in Hyderabad, not in my laptop also. But that is the public IP. By using this public IP, we can able to getting into this virtual machine from a laptop also. But it is a virtual machine, the two Linux virtual machine. But Windows means what? Windows to Windows we can log in. But my laptop is a Windows environment, but server is a Linux. In this case, directly we can't log in. That's what we're gonna be depending on third-party tool. We're gonna be download Git, Git for Windows. Just be type like this. Just to be double click on Git. 64-bit. Just to be double click after successfully download .exe file. Double click next to finish. Automatically Git bash will be installed in a laptop. Just to be open Git bash. And then just to be type SSH, whatever the username which you are provided while you creating at the rate and public IP just to be entered. It's going to be asking yes or no questions. Yes, that's it. You will be landing into the cloud by providing password. What are the password which was given? That's it. Yeah, you are successfully landing into the cloud server. whatever you are executing, that is belongs to the cloud server, but not in a laptop. If you do any action that reflected in the cloud server, maybe I want to install maybe some softwares, maybe application update first, update these things, default software into the server. And then we're gonna be executing apt-get install Apache. Apache 2 is a web server. Once if it is successfully install Apache 2 by helping of this public IP, we can access over internet as a website. The same page you can also access from your laptop also. Please try. Can you try from your laptop? Can you try from a laptop? I already provided a public IP in the chat box. Yes or no? Yeah. So that is what exactly the for today class, please. So we understood very clearly what is DevOps, and for implementing this, what kind of infrastructure is required. This infrastructure, we can able to get it from cloud. We can able to get it from cloud, but how exactly you can able to getting into the cloud, and how exactly we create a virtual machine, we understood very clearly for today. Tomorrow onwards, we are deep diving into the cloud, and we're understanding very deeper into the cloud. And so if you have any questions, please ask me in the chat box, and if you want to talk to me also, please let me know. Okay. And one more important point. So tomorrow onwards, we're going to be start regular sessions. So this is our admin number 9297 You can call our WhatsApp for regarding fees and payments and registrations and recording access, whatever may be. And this is our course content, which you are already shared. And tomorrow onwards, we're going to be start with regular session. Who are interested, paid your fee and get the new meeting link and join from tomorrow. And this is what exactly our contact information. I'm going to be share one more time in the chat box. Please be get it out. Any questions, please ask me in the chat box, or else you can talk to me also. Any questions, please? Or if you want to talk to me also, please. Yeah, Venkatramana, please.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
I have two questions, sir.
Please.
One is, how are you going to provide the recorded sessions?
That will be separated, and a separate drive will be there. I will be uploaded there, and every day I'm going to be upload automatically can display there itself. Only one time access. After that, automatically every day, maybe within 2-3 hours, maybe today at 7 o'clock close, but around 10-11 o'clock, I will upload the recording. And you can see there itself. You can access and you can watch it and you can practice.
Okay. And my second question is, sir, I see the strength is very less.
No.
So I mean,
no, it is not like that. Around maybe I guess around 12 to 15 members.
Okay.
Bash strength is more than 30.
Including offline, you are
Not
telling,
all together, whatever maybe.
Okay.
More than 30, but people are coming live only few people, because of some people are office work, they're following recordings.
Okay.
It is fixed. Even winter also, summer also, we have a classes. No change timings. 6 is fixed.
Yeah, that is my question. So you're not
Tomorrow,
going to merge
maybe
this
winter.
batch with another batch?
No, maybe tomorrow is a winter. Maybe I'm going to be change timing. No, never.
Okay. 6 o'clock is fixed.
Maybe it is very difficult for me. Early morning, 6 o'clock, wake up and taking class is very difficult for not only for the students also, but still will be continuing.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Anybody want to talk to me? Anybody? Any questions, please? Ganesh. Please. Varsha, this question, how long will this course take place? Total duration, am I right? You're asking the duration of this course, am I right, Varsha? Yesterday we have discussed these all, that's what I didn't repeat it. Total around 5 months. 3 months for DevOps, 2 months for Azure administration. Azure DevOps 3 months, Azure administration 2 months. Total 5 months. Total 2 courses we covering. 2 courses, Azure DevOps and Azure administration, both. Ganesh is waiting for me. Please wait. Yeah, you can unmute. You can talk to me, Ganesh.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Hello.
I'm audible.
Yeah, right. Very good. Please tell me. Continue.
So, good morning. So basically, so actually, might be yesterday Venkat also asked the same question. So like for every month, we need for like a separate Microsoft account, like on the basis of
that is an
practice.
alternative. We are do that.
So every month, like so we need like one credit card is enough for to hold or something like we need.
It is not like that. I will help you. Don't worry. I'll guide you after that. Okay. Don't worry.
Is there any extra charge? Because I see like
No. If you go
when
for
we create
paid,
some virtual.
if you go for if you're after 1 month, if you select a paid version, okay, you can, but you can manage properly. If we are not using properly, it will get heavy bill. That's what I don't want to hit. Maybe some students can bear, some students can't be bear. That's what I not recommend to go for paid version.
If we are not using like when we are creating some virtual machines even in the free account also, so we have some some charge also for the account
Whatever maybe. For example, let's say this charges maybe around 3,000 rupees is displaying front in the left hand side. Okay. For example, after usage, we need to stop it. We stop it. It won't be. Or else, if you don't want this machine, we want to delete it. We should be delete. How to delete it? Individually we can delete, or else we can go for group wise also. If we delete this group and enter the whole resources will be deleted. For example, we created today 6 AM group. Under this group, so many services we have. Not this, I think so. This one. So if you select this and delete this group, everything will be wiped out. It won't affect. Okay, so if you keep on running it, wasting your free 15,000 rupees also, it will be expired, right? That is the reason. So properly we need to manage even freetail also. That's what I will guide you in each and everything in the coming sessions. Yeah. Fine. So Bhadra. So we're going to start with Azure networking concept. Azure with what? Networking concept. Tomorrow. That's it. We'll continue by tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks, buddies. We'll meet tomorrow with a new link, not the same. Okay. If you're interested, please be called a admin. Thank you.